Stay tuned because in this video we show you how to install RSG rock sliders onto your 5th generation 4Runner. Hey everybody, I'm Isaac with Team 4Runner, and today we're at RSG Off-Road. I got my buddy Bailey and RSG Off-Road Tech. What are we doing today?
Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step how to install these RSG Metalworks sliders on a 5th gen 4Runner.
Cool.
All right, to get these sliders installed, it really helps if you have an electric ratchet or something that's like just a little quicker than a hand ratchet. And then I just have 2 sizes to show, and then an impact gun. A wobbly socket makes it super easy as well. And then if you don't have a wobbly socket, just standard. And for the RSG Metalworks 5th gen 4Runner sliders, all the hardware we're installing is gonna be 13 millimeters, so you'll just need one size for everything. So I'm gonna start by getting these sliders up to the vehicle, and I'm gonna have the lift helping me out, but if you don't have a lift, it'll really be a good idea to have a friend help you hold those up to the car. So I'm gonna start by lifting this slider up against the frame, and I'll kind of slide it side to side until I can see that every hole on the slider is lined up with a hole on the frame. And once you see every hole is lined up, that's how you'll know that it's in the right spot. It's always a good idea to wipe down the frame before you put the slider on. That way you're not pinching any dirt to be trapped in there for a long time. So the next thing I'm gonna do is start every single bolt by hand before I tighten them any of them all the way. And by doing that, you'll just make sure the slider centers itself the right way. So you'll want to make sure you install all 12 bolts on the driver's side. There's going to be 8 in the back half and then 4 in the front half. So just make sure you get them all in there. First off, I'm going to tighten this bolt that's right above one of the actual braces for the slider, just because that one's a little harder to get to. So get it out of the way first, and I'm going to use the 3/8 electric ratchet to do that one. For the rest, because it's just a little quicker, I always use this, but I'm gonna tighten up the rest of the bolts with this impact gun. I almost forgot to mention, before you can actually even put the slider up there, you wanna undo this one little bracket with a 12 millimeter bolt so that you can slide the slider between the bracket and the frame itself. Now that we got the driver's side done, we're gonna switch over to the passenger side, and it's gonna be the exact same thing, just mirrored over.
All right, so that wraps up the rock slider install. Bailey, how'd it go?
Super easy. We did it in about 20 minutes. It definitely helps I had a lift, but if you don't have a lift, you'll definitely want a buddy or two, and with a buddy or two, it shouldn't take much longer than that.
Heck yeah. See you next time.